Please refer to the specific model after it has been disassembled. If the car key is out of power, you can change it yourself, saving money and time. Prepare a set of replacement sticks. Avoid damaging the car key during the process. Find the groove on the back of the car key. Pry the small stick upwards into the groove. Remove the mechanical key. Find the inner groove. Gently pry open the back cover. Gently detach the battery. Durable and does not damage the car key. The cover is back to the back panel. Insert the mechanical key back in. In this way, the key was resurrected with full blood.